What's up everybody, Frank Anthony here, also known as Kingdom Made on Instagram, and today we're going to be working on these right here. I don't exactly know the name of it, but this is the canvas for today and we're gonna make something dope. Okay, so with every shoe that I design and every shoe that I like to make, I like to sketch out like a rough draft just to see where everything is going to be positioned. The design that I'm going to be doing is the design that I've been working on like recently. I've been pretty much doing this style of art for about like not that long, but it keeps me at peace and keeps me at keep my sanity at like a good level. So this sneaker right here, this is actually something new that I haven't really worked with. I wasn't actually expecting like the Jordan brand to put nubuck on a Jordan 11. Like that's like patent leather. Like patent leather is like the Jordan 11 signature. Like, so when they did this, it was just mind blowing, you know? And of course me, I don't like turning down from challenges. I always keep them going, always. So we're gonna make the best of it pretty much. To be flat out honest, best part about this is since we're gonna start off with black suede dye with this design, and if it doesn't come out looking the color black that we want it to look, then we can just use black acrylic paint and then have two different textures. And since we have two different textures, that makes your custom even more entertaining to look at and to feel, in my opinion. Woo. Maybe I'm just weird, but this is like this is entertaining to me. Oh, that is a good line. How come nobody ever told me about this before? This is nice. Who thought of this? Like they need a raise. Whoever thought of this one need a raise. Okay, so we got the outlines together, and now we just fill it. Now we just fill it in. I feel like we're gonna have to go over with the two soft and black too, but that's okay. So now it's even more durable. Like we're creating, most of the stuff is trial and error. We're trying something different. Like we trying just to dye this. That's what we're doing. But if it doesn't work out the way how you expected it to work out, you can always just use a different method or technique. It's all trial and error. So we got our masking done. Then from there, we're gonna start adding our wood grain effect, which is gonna take these three colors. It's gonna take buttercup, light brown, and saddle. So we're gonna throw those all together using our airbrush gun and a couple of other brushes. And we're gonna just piece it all together. Do light coats, a lot of light coats. Doing the speckles, I'm gonna use, normally I use a toothbrush, but any brush would do. So get a little bit of speckle action. But you gotta have your paintbrush on hand. You gotta have your paintbrush on hand. You gotta swipe it down like so to make sure that you got your effect. Thing is, you wanna, whichever direction you want the wood grain to go, you swipe in that direction. But you gotta have it all to go in the same direction. First, we're gonna clean up these edges right here. And the way how we're gonna do that is we're gonna take some of the light brown and get a detail brush, and we're gonna just paint around the ends. Now with the bottom half, we're gonna have to go around the wood grain portion with the light brown, and then go around the checkerboard edging with black. I'm just gonna give it that clean look. Okay, so pretty much from here we're gonna replace the red accents with the 24K pearlescent gold, and we're gonna use our detail brush just to do it. So I decided to add the pearlescent gold just to raise the class of the sneaker from just streetwear to a mix of both high class, luxury, and urban streetwear. Okay, so after we did the trim, now we're gonna work on the upper, which is the mesh area of the 11s. And what we're gonna use is a mixture of red and a couple of drops of hot pink and Too Soft. Too Soft will allow the mesh to still keep its feel. So we're gonna mix all that together, and then we're gonna get to working on it. So, I actually had a lot of fun doing this video, and it was just so entertaining. This is something I wanted to do for a really long time, and I finally got the opportunity to do so. So, these shoes that I worked on today will actually be given away. So if you want more information on that, stay tuned. Be sure to check me out on Instagram at kingdom_made. This is Frank Anthony here. Yes. I know if I go black, that'd be way too much black, way too much black, and it'll overpower it. It's like putting a color on it that speaks volumes but don't speak too much. So it's just like, oh, you add that color in there? Who would have thought? I'm gonna go red. All right, that's what we're gonna do.